Newscraft Studio.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. The problem of the today is check if string is subsequence of another. To solve this problem, we need to determine Congratulations. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. The problem of the today is check if string is subsequence of another. To solve this problem, we need to determine if one string S1 is a subsequence of another string S2. A sequence means that the characters of S1 appear in S2 in the same order, though not necessarily consecutively. Approach. Initialization. We start by initializing two pointers, I for S1 and J for S2, both set to 0. We transfer to each character in S2. For each characters in S2, we check if the matches the current character in S1. If it does, we move the pointer in S1 to the next character. After processing all characters in S2, if we have successfully transferred all characters in S1, that is, the pointer I has reached the end of S1, then S1 is a subsequence of S2, otherwise it is not. Explanation. The pointer I and j are initialized to 0 to start from the beginning of both strings. The loop continues until we reach the end of entire string. For each character in S2, if it matches the current character in S1, we increment I to move to the next character in S1. Regardless of a match, we always increment j to move through S2. After the loop, if I equals the length of S1, it means all characters of S1 we found in S2 in the correct order. So we return true, otherwise we return false. This approach efficiently checks for the subsequence property in linear time, O of n, where n is the length of S2, and uses constant space O of 1, making it optimal for large inputs. Congratulations, you got the solution code to the problem of the day. I'm going to push the solution code into my GitHub repository where you can take a sneak at it through Visual Studio. The solution code is pushed to my GitHub repository from Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching this video. I'll go to the GitHub and show you my repository. This is the GitHub repository where I pushed the solution code. To get more awesome videos, like and subscribe this video.